Hide Unhide apps. Go to your phone settings. In your phone settings, go down, tap on home screen. In home screen settings, scroll down and tap on hide apps on home and app screen. And here you will find all of your apps. Now just select one or multiple apps to hide. So I'm going to hide my Facebook app, tapping on done. And now if I go to my app screen, as you can see, the Facebook app is not showing. Let's search for Facebook app. As you can see, the Facebook app is not showing in search result. Now let's see how to unhide any hidden app. Go to your settings once more time. Again, tap on home screen. And this time again tap on hide apps. And just remove the app from hidden app section. Tap on done. And the app is now unhide. That's it.